because he has supernatural power to protect the actress.
Don't be so serious of the plot. That's all fake.
Come on, why you boys can't be so romantic?
That's because the gender difference of the opinions. Let's welcome the group 10 of 304, and their topic is Gender Difference, a study on the viewers of Korean dramas.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are group 10 from 304. I'm Gina.
I'm Claire.
I'm Cindy. And I'm Mandy.
Hey, Gina, what are we going to do?
We are going to give a presentation.
Really? What's the topic?
The topic is Gender Differences, a study on the influence of Korean dramas. And now let's move on the next page, overview.
We separate this report into 6 parts. First, motivation.
Second, methods.
Third, data analysis.
Fourth, findings.
Fifth, conclusion.
And the next one is references. Next, we will talk about motivation. So, Claire, do you know what is our motivation?
Yes, our motivation is that nowadays Korean dramas have been quite popular in Taiwan in recent years. Through the survey, we want to study the gender differences of the two sexes in watching Korean dramas.
What's the tool you use to investigate this data?
We use the questionnaire to get the information, and there are 150 interviewees in this survey. And then, let me show you our questionnaire.
Wow, this is your questionnaire.
Yes, so guys, let me report our data analysis. The first question is, do you watch Korean dramas? Gina, do you know the answer of this question?
Yes, I know. As you can see the two squares, we find the ratio that girls watch Korean drama is higher than boys. 90% of girls watch Korean dramas. However, in contrast, about 2/3 of boys don't watch Korean dramas. From the above, we can infer that girls are the main viewers of Korean dramas. So, Claire, do you know what kind of reason do you think causes them not to watch Korean dramas?
Yes, of course. Let's take a look. From the chart, we can see almost half of boys just feel dramas are too boring to watch, while 30% of girls don't watch the dramas because of this reason. The second reason is that they have no time to watch the dramas. 1/3 of boys and 60% of girls due to this reason, so they don't watch the dramas. And the nation is the least percent of both genders. So, Gina, do you understand?
Yes, I do. These are the reasons which cause them not to watch Korean dramas.
And Gina, do you know what genres of Korean dramas do people like to watch most?
I don't know, but we can ask Mandy and Cindy.
Okay.
Hey, Cindy, where are you?
I'm here. What's wrong?
Claire and I want to know what genres of Korean drama do people like to watch most. Can you tell me?
Of course, but I have to call my partner first. Mandy. Here. Hey, Mandy. Can you tell me what genres of Korean dramas do you like to watch most?
Okay, no problem. Look this chart that shows the ratio of boys watch love drama is higher than girls. The Korean dramas of boys watch love dramas is almost the same to the girls. And the ratio of girls watch love dramas is almost same to the comedy. So Cindy, is it clear for you?
Oh, yes. I realize more gender differences of Korean dramas. So, Mandy, what genres of Korean dramas do you like to watch most?
As far as I'm concerned, I much like the love dramas, just like the most people. And the reason is that they give me the feeling of falling in love. So, Cindy, it turns to me to ask you a question. What kinds of plots do you like to watch in Korean dramas?
This page tells us that boys and girls are the same. The first class is Stories on Campus, and Stories Through Time and Space ranks number 2 in two sexes. The biggest gender difference in these two charts is that the ratio of the two sexes watches the stories in hospitals and the stories through time and space of Korean dramas. Girls in these two types are very average. However, boys don't like to watch the stories in hospitals dramas, but like to watch the stories through time and space dramas. Mandy, what I said above is right?
Yes, you are right, but Cindy, what kinds of plots do you like to watch in Korean dramas?
I like to watch the dramas of stories in hospitals because I think the actors wear the clothes of doctors are very handsome.
Wow!
Hey, I want to ask a question.
What do you want to know?
I want to know what purposes cause people to watch Korean dramas.
A good question. There are many purposes for boys and girls to watch Korean dramas. For boys, the biggest reason appeal them to watch Korean dramas is the plots. The second reason attract them to watch Korean drama is the recommendation from their friends. And those characters in Korean dramas are the third reason. But in contrast to girls, those characters in Korean dramas are the major reason attract them to watch. The second reason is the plots, and the third reason is the recommendation from their friends.
Oh, I got it. But Mandy, what purposes cause you to watch Korean dramas?
The purposes cause me to watch Korean dramas are the characters and the plots. Because a drama has beautiful characters or good plots, they will attract me to watch that drama.
Wait, I also want to ask a question. Why features of Korean dramas attract people most? I know. The plots occupy the most part of pie chart, and the pairing of main characters also attracts them to watch. So, Claire, do you understand? Yes, I do. So, Cindy, what features of Korean dramas attract you most? The plot of Korean dramas attract me most, but I think that the things behind the dramas are also interesting.
Okay, Cindy, your answer is very good. But let me ask you one more question. When do you usually watch Korean dramas?
Alright, as you can see, no matter boys or girls, they watch Korean dramas when they have time. So I think that watching Korean dramas is a way for them to relax or pass their free time. Mandy, what I say, is this answer okay?
Yes, perfect. Okay, let me give you some findings. The first one is that there are more girls and boys like to watch Korean dramas. The second one is most people like boys do not like to watch Korean dramas because they feel the dramas are too boring. The next one is most people like Korean dramas whose plot is about the stories of love on campus. And the next one is boys and girls all put focus on the plot when they watch the Korean drama.
And let me conclude the presentation for all of you. There are 2 points. First, those who watch Korean dramas are mostly girls. Second, how should directors appeal boys to watching Korean dramas? According to our investigation, the reason why there are so many boys do not like to watch Korean dramas is because they feel the plots are too boring.
But in contrast, we find that boys who watch Korean dramas much like the stories of love on campus. So if the directors want to obtain more ratings and appeal more boys to watch their dramas, they should add more the elements of love on campus in their dramas.
And this is our references. So guys, do you realize more about gender differences of Korean dramas?
Yes.
And then this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your listening.